express 5x divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2 into partial fraction. Looking at this, to express this, we need to first of all look at the power of x at the denominator and also the numerator to see if this actually is a proper fraction or improper. And if it is a proper fraction, then we are just going to go ahead to find the values of unknown. In this case, the highest power of x here is just 1, and that of x for the numerator is also 1, which means it's a proper fraction. The fraction is proper. So we are going to use the normal expression here. So we are going to say that, so since it is a proper fraction, we are going to express it normally. We are going to say that 5x divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2 is the same as a. We are going to use a over this first one here, x plus 3 plus b over the second one here, which is x minus 2. So here, what we are going to do is to make sure that we express this. We are going to do something like this, cross multiply, like this. And we are going to have a, if we cross here, into x minus 2, plus b into x plus 3, b into x plus 3, divided by x plus 3, x minus 2. So this is the same as 5x over x plus 3 into x minus 2. So that is how it has become. And here, what we are going to do is to use the rule that states that if the denominator of two expressions are the same, then of course the numerator must also be the same. Therefore, 5x must be the same as a into x minus 2 plus b into x plus 3. So we are just going to use this expression that states that 5x should be equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x plus 3. Now, for us to look for the values of a and b, we must use x to be certain value so that we are going to take off some of either a or b. That is, if we take off a, we should look for b, or to take off b to look for a. In this case, we need to look for the value of x which can make either a or b to become 0 so that we can look for the other value. For example, if we say that let x be equal to 2, we are going to take off a because 2 minus 2 will give us 0 and a times 0 will be 0. So if we take off a, we are going to easily get the value of b. But if we say that let x equal to minus 3, we are going to take off b because minus 3 plus 3 will give us 0 and 0 times b will be 0 so that we get a. So in this case, let's take x to be equal to 2. If we say let x be equal to 2, then this will imply that if we input 2 for x, we're going to have 5 times 2, which is 10, will be equal to a into 2 minus 2 is 0, plus 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 times b will give us 5b. So this will be the same as 10 will be equal to a times 0 is 0 plus 5b, so we just have 5b here. And to get b, we divide both sides by 5. So 5 will take off this, and this 5 will also take off 1, cancel here 2 times. This implies that b is equal to 2. Now we already have the value of b. Let's now try to see how we can take off b to also get a from this expression here. So we are now going to set that, or say that let x now be equal to minus 3. So if we say that let x be equal to minus 3, what will happen is we are going to take off this b. So we'll say minus 3 plus 3 will give us 0. So let's go. from this expression, if we say minus 3, so 5 times minus 3 is going to give us minus 15. So we have minus 15 here will be equal to, so minus 3 minus 2 we give us minus 5. Minus 5 times a is minus 5a is minus 5a. So if we put here minus 3 plus 3 will give us 0. 0 times b will be 0. So everything will remain like that. So to get the value of a, we need to divide both sides by minus 5. Where this minus 5 will take off this minus 5. This minus will take off this minus. 5 will go here one time. 5 is going to go into 15 3 times. So we have now, this implies that the value of a will be equal to 3. So a is 3 and b is 2. Now to express this, we have to make sure that we insert the value of a and b here from this expression. So a here will be 3 and b here will be 2. So let's try to fit it in by using this expression. So we are going to say that 5x divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2 will be equal to 3 over x plus 3 plus 2 over x minus 2. That is what we are going to have. So let's try to express that and see. So let's do that. We are going to say 5x divided by x plus 3 into x minus 2 is therefore the same as a. So a is 3 over x plus 3 plus b is 2, x minus 2. So this is the expression here, which makes it to be very correct. So to those of you who have questions to submit to us and looking for solution for the question you don't know, just make sure that you submit your question to us, and we are going to do our very best to make sure that we solve it out for you so that everyone else will benefit. To do so, you want to make sure to go ahead to join our forum and also to join our group where we submit questions, and we do our possible best to answer this question for you concerning any topic in mathematics. Send your question to us and we are going to help you to make sure that we solve it and submit to you, or to submit so that everyone will benefit from those questions and as well as the answers being provided. For you to join, you want to make sure to go ahead to join our group as well as the forum to submit your question. All the links or details are below this description. And see you again in the next upload, and bye-bye for now.